Hello again, everyone. It's Christine at Fibre Tech Carpet Care in Oak Bay, and we are back at the home in Oak Bay, continuing on with the cleaning of the walk-in closet, which is now complete. You can see the difference over there in the carpet, and the living space here, and we will be doing the stairs and the bedroom over here. So Harry's just working on the living space right now. So far, so good. Wow, look at the dirt peeling off of there. It's going to be a huge improvement in this carpet. Now, as you can see, this carpet does have a little bit of buckling going on, which is that lump right over there just to the left of where Harry is. This does happen with older carpet. It tends to come up a little bit more when it's cleaned, but it will pop down to its original way it was prior. So it doesn't pop up even, sometimes does pop up a little bit more. When it's cleaned, as the suction will pull it up a little bit more, but it'll pop back down to where it originally was after the cleaning's complete, once the carpet actually dries. So sometimes that's a concern for some people, and that's what we advise them, as per Harry's instructions. He's been doing this for 36 years, so he knows his stuff. This carpet's turning out really nicely. It's a kind of an ocean blue color, as you can see, and the dirt's just peeling right off. So this is the higher traffic areas, of course, right here. So we'll see what it comes up like in just a moment. Oh, you can see it now. Look at that. It's a really good product we use. Making a huge difference in this carpet. Nothing like a professional cleaning. Now, the owners here were previously using a home machine, and you know, the home machines are great for in between your professional cleanings, but you still should do a professional cleaning every year to a maximum of 2 years, and usually 2 years is okay if you've already had Scotchgard on your carpet, but if you don't, you probably want to do it more like every year to a year and a half. But Scotchgard, which the homeowners have agreed to do on this carpet today, is going to prolong the life of their carpet and also prolong the time that they have to do another carpet cleaning. So you can clearly see the difference in the carpet here. There's the dirty area, there's the clean area. So that's a huge, huge difference. It's coming up quite nicely. Now, this is old carpet, so you're going to see existing traffic areas. Of course, they're not going to come up quite as good as the areas that are no traffic, which is like that area back there, as opposed to this area all in here. But Harry's hard work and the product that we use, it's a definite huge improvement. So Harry's going to get more water into the system through here so he can continue on with the cleaning. But we will also do a quick video of the stairs as well when he gets to that area. So stay tuned. We'll be back soon. And if you'd like your carpets looking this great, give us a call at 778-433-9348. See you soon, and thanks for watching.